If you're looking for something with explosive flavor, you're going to want to try my bacon chipotle mac and cheese bake. Look at that. Man. Be sure to subscribe. Click that little bell. Because I'm here with my little brother, and you watching Cooking 1.5. Okay, now what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to cook your bacon. Now, I prefer to cook bacon on a campfire, but I done it in the oven in this case because I was trying to keep it even. Nice even cook. Look at that. And I undercooked it just a little bit too. You'll see why later. Now my little brother's going to get started here. He's going to cut this bacon up in little pieces so we can put it in our mac and cheese bake. And looks like he's kind of cut it in half, and now he's cutting it into some strips. Okay. Yeah, it looks like he's gonna cut in little chunks now. You can see me walking around in the background. You know, I'm on a mission. I guarantee you that's where the work's getting done. But you know, he'll get this bacon cut up, and he's a little slow, ain't he? I'll probably have to cut some of these parts out, you know, when we do the video edit and everything. Well, watch it, I'll cut you. Yeah, he's about finishing up there. So yeah, just cut them up. You know, you can do big chunks, you can do little chunks, whatever you like. I just recommend don't overcook the bacon, because you got to realize this bacon is going to cook longer when it's in the oven. Okay. Just remember, this bacon's gonna cook a little longer while it's in the mac and cheese dish, bacon. Alright, so we're getting ready to put together our bacon chipotle cheddar mac and cheese here. So first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of Colby cheese, just a Longhorn Colby in the bottom. I'm going to take some shredded Chipotle cheese. This is a 3-pepper Chipotle cheddar cheese. And I'm going to kind of spread that around a little bit in the bottom too. You don't want to put a lot. You just want to get, you know, a little bit of that Chipotle cheese in every bite. So then we're going to take some noodles. Put some noodles in there.
Name brand?
They name brand noodles too. You definitely want to use your name brand noodles. We'll put a little more cheese in there. You know, you want that maximum flavor. You know, you can't go cheap. And then what we're gonna do here, let's put a little of the bacon in the middle there. And this is applewood smoked bacon, and we cut this up into some little pieces. Not too much. Save a little. I'm gonna put a little more noodles there. Alright, we're going to put a little more noodles on here. Okay. And we're going to put a little more cheese. throw some more bacon on there too. Alright. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to get just a little more cheddar. Shred it up here. Chipotle cheddar. Put that on top. Yeah, man. It's looking good. You know what? I'm going to put the rest of this on there. I like it nice and cheesy. Alright, look at that. Alright. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this is some smoked cheddar. I'm going to put some smoked cheddar cheese on top. You know, I don't want to do a lot. I just want to give a little bit of smoked cheddar flavor on top. Alright. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take some whole milk. Do not use skim milk. Not use 2%. You need whole milk. I'm going to put just a tad bit more smoked cheddar on top. Just a little bit more. But what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take 2 strips of bacon. Now this is some bacon that is not quite cooked all the way. You know, it's very lightly cooked. We'll put that on top of there. All right. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little, yeah, I'm away. I'm gonna put a little salt. I'm gonna put a little fresh peppercorn. Now, you're gonna be tempted to use pepper in a can. Don't do it. Use some fresh peppercorn. That's the only way to do it there. All right. So we got our mac and cheese assembled here. Applewood smoked bacon, Longhorn Colby cheese, Chipotle cheddar and smoked cheddar cheeses, salt and pepper. And what we use, some name brand noodles here. Mostaccioli stuff. Now this is from Italy. You know, I don't want to get all italics on you.
Italian.
Whatever, same thing. So what we gonna do? We gonna put this in the oven, 350 degrees, and I'm thinking it's gonna probably take about 45 minutes to an hour. But you know, I'm probably gonna
For that small
check on. Well, I don't know. I mean, it's loaded up. It's pretty thick. I mean, it's hanging over the top. It might overflow. But you know, we'll set the timer for 30 minutes. Kind of check on it, and you know, we'll see what's going on. Okay, we're gonna put it in the oven, 350. You can see my little brother got under my feet, made me spill a little bit of milk, but we'll let it cook. And here we go. Look at that. Bacon, Chipotle, mac and cheese. Hey, you know you want a bite of that. Look at that. Hey, that's how you do it right there. Cooking 1.5.